Alright, we are live for break number 55. This is 2014-2015 Panini Prizm basketball. Going to be a few minutes while we wait for everybody to show up. Put the teams in the original post? No. Let me go get the teams wherever they are. Somewhere on this post. You guys are chatty. There they are. We'll break here in just a couple minutes. Let me put this video in the right place. Here are your teams. What's up, Daniel? Let me check if there are any trades. I don't see any trades. Trades and sales need to be PM'd to me. There's too many comments, and I was busy between the randomization and the break, so as far as I know, there were no trades and there were no sales. Let me put this video in the thread and then we'll go. Alright, there's the video. Now, as I was saying, I didn't have any trades or any sales PM to me. So, should be good to go. Daniel, I think I sent out a Majkowski card to you today. Were you the one with that? It's in the mail. It's dinner time for my 11-month-old, so he might be a little loud. This box is heavy. Alright guys, let's get going. Good luck here. 2014, 2015 Panini Prizm. The sleeves away from the trash. I have trouble opening this one again. There it is. $20 packs, 6 cards a piece. This one's going to take a little bit of time to break. I might move a little bit quicker through the base cards. Get a couple sleeves ready. Alright, Team Plowin'. Good luck, guys. Enjoy. Josh Bennett wants Malone or Stockton. Kyle Lowry, Raptors. Jamal Crawford, Clippers. Dominique Wilkins, Hawks. Jeremy Lin, Lakers, Prizm card. Not numbered. Bob Cousy, Celtics. Oh, is that 6 cards? 2, 3. There's 5 cards in that one. Nothing's around. Huh. Okay. Well, let's see what goes on in the next pack. Wonder if because there was a Prizm, there's only 5 in that one. No, I read it wrong. It is 5 cards per pack. 100 cards total. I could have written it down wrong. I apologize. Randy Foye, Nuggets. Kenny Smith, Rockets. Kobe Bryant, Superstars with the Lakers. It's a cool card. A Prizm card. Detlef Shrimp for the Mavericks. Bruno Caboclo for the Raptors, rookie card. I've never heard that name. Basketball is probably my weakest sport of the three. I'm a big college basketball fan, but we don't have an NBA team in Kansas City, so I don't get into it as much. Lance Stevenson, Hornets. Bill Russell, Celtics. Adrian Dantley, Pistons. OJ Mayo, Bucks, Prizm card. I think they said 3 of these Prizms would be numbered. Jabari Parker, rookie with the Bucks. And next pack. Just the one hit in this box. It was a higher dollar box. The Prizms are the big hits here. Eric Bledsoe, Suns. JJ Redick, Clippers. And this one is the autograph. Rodney Hood with the Utah Jazz. Rookie autograph Prizm card. Numbered to 499. Good looking card. Rodney Hood, Jazz autograph. George Gervin, Spurs. Dwight Powell, rookie, Celtics. Well, it wasn't a Malone or Stockton. You got a Jazz hit. Blake Griffin, Clippers. Joe Johnson, Nets. See, we're kind of stuck. Sam Jones, Celtics. JJ Redick, Clippers. This one's a Prizm, but it's blue. And it is numbered to 99. JJ Redick, the former Blue Devil. Clippers get a numbered Prizm card. And last one. Let me slide it. James Young, Celtics, rookie. Anthony, we got football coming up next. I haven't decided if I'm doing Absolute or 2014 Spectra. I still got a few basketball boxes left too. Jordan Hill, Lakers. Kemba Walker, Hornets. Karl Malone, Jazz. There's your Malone. We got TJ Warren, rookie, Suns, Prizm card. That one, it's different than the other Prizms, but it's not numbered. Maybe because it's a rookie. Kyle Anderson, Spurs, rookie. Amir Johnson, Raptors. Anthony Davis, Pelicans. Dikembe Mutombo, Not in My House, Nuggets. Wilt Chamberlain, Sixers. It is Not Today. Not in My House. That's a Prizm card, by the way. That Mutombo. Chamberlain, 76ers. That's a cool one. John Starks, Knicks. I plan on doing both the Absolute and the Spectra. I just wasn't sure what to do next. Terrence Ross, Raptors. John Wall, Wizards. Tyler Ennis, Suns, rookie. Looks like there's a Prizm card there. And there's a pretty one. For the T-Wolves, Andrew Wiggins. Once again, I'll offer trade break credit for that. I do like Wiggins. Yao Ming, Rockets. There's no pressure to trade ever, but if I see a card I like, I'll let you know. If you want break credit for it. Enos Kanter, Jazz. Jeff Hornacek, Jazz. Michael Carter Williams, Sixers. Serge Ibaka, Thunder. Prizm card. Non-numbered. Jordan Adams, Grizzlies. And next pack. Damian Lillard, Blazers. Otto Porter, Wizards. Louis Dampier with the Colonels. I'm going to have to try to figure that one out. Connells marched into ABA. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Kentucky Colonels, do they turn into an NBA team? Yeah, if you got a minute.
Kentucky Colonels?
Yeah, like Colonels. Colonels. Yep. Damian Lillard fireworks card with the Blazers. Paul Silas, Celtics. Dayton, you are noisy. What are you doing over there? Chandler Parsons, Mavericks. Robert Parrish, Celtics. Jerry Sloan, Prizm with the Bulls. Non-numbered. Jarnell Stokes with the Grizzlies, rookie card. Nick Stauskas with the Kings, rookie card. Nobody knows Kentucky Colonels. Video seems slow. Might be a random or something. Anthony Bennett, Timberwolves. Kevin Love, Cavaliers. Good looking cards. Avery Bradley, Celtics. Tony Parker, Prizm with the Spurs. Not numbered. Spud Webb, Hawks. Yep, from KFC. Colonel Sanders. Nick Collison, Thunder. Eric Gordon, Pelicans. Allen Iverson, Sixers. Bruno Caboclo with the Raptors rookie card, Prizm card. Non-numbered. Bob Love with the Bulls. Al Jefferson, Hornets. George Mikan, Lakers. Joel Embiid, rookie, 76ers. It's another one I would trade break credit for. Prizm rookie card, 76ers. Will Cherry, Raptors rookie. Arvydas Sabonis, Blazers. I feel like we've only had one numbered Prizm here. We had a couple. Should be due.
Okay, it says Kentucky Colonels ceased to exist after 1976. Brown used the money to purchase the Buffalo Braves.
The Colonels turn into the Buffalo Braves? That doesn't help us.
He used the money to purchase the Buffalo Braves.
Alright, so I don't think Colonels have a connection. Mario Chalmers Heat. Wesley Matthews Trailblazers. Tyreek Evans Pelicans. Yes, Nathan, there's a Pelican. You ask, you receive. John Havlicek Celtics. This is a die cut prism. Let's sleeve that one. It's not easy to handle. Just like any, these will all be sleeved immediately after. This is numbered to 139. I'm going to top load that too. John Havlicek, Boston Celtics Prism. Markel Brown Nets rookie card. Yeah, there was an Anthony Davis. The average should be about 3 cards per person here. If we get more than 3, you're doing pretty good. Kawhi Leonard Spurs. Mike Conley Grizzlies. Vlade Divac Lakers. Kevin Willis Prism with the Hawks. Non-numbered. Pete Maravich Jazz. And 4 packs left. Oh, Chad, you've been to Kentucky, huh? I've been to Kentucky, too. Amari Stoudemire Knicks. Brandon Bass Celtics. Tom Chambers Sonics. That will go to the Thunder. Ooh, Dennis Rodman Pistons. It's a blue prism, and it's numbered to 99.
What color is his hair?
The color is his hair. Looks like normal, dark brown.
That's boring.
My wife's a fan of Dennis Rodman. That one was numbered to 99. I'll throw that one in. Loader. Walt Frazier with the Knicks was the last card. I think it's whoever trades me Andrew Wiggins for free gets the Colonel's card, right? Ricky Rubio Timberwolves. Tatum's laughing. Pau Gasol Bulls. Carlos Boozer Lakers Prism card. Non-numbered there. It's a cool looking prism though. Artist Gilmore Spurs. Glenn Robinson III Timberwolves rookie. 2 more packs. Christopher Saunders says he needs a card or 2 or 3 or 4. 5, huh? I'm not sure. Jose Calderon, Knicks. I feel like we haven't seen many Knicks. Alonzo Mourning, Heat. Chris Paul, Clippers. Kevin Martin, Timberwolves. It's a Prism card. Anthony Hardaway, Magic. Joel, I'm a big KU fan. Jayhawks. So especially rookie cards of former Jayhawks. I really enjoy. If they got their Jayhawks jersey on, even better. This last pack. Danilo Gallinari, Nuggets. Al Horford Hawks. Mark Aguirre Mavericks. Dave Cohen's Celtics Prizm. Non-numbered. Bojan Bogdanovic with the Nets rookie card. And that's going to end Panini Prizms. So there was a handful of Prizms. Seemed like one in every pack. So those will be cool cards going out to you. There's a couple of good numbered Prizm. John Havlicek die cut. Number to 139. Dennis Rodman blue Prizm. Number to 99. Pistons and Celtics. And this one I forgot to sleeve. Let's see if this one's too big for it. Rodney Hood Jazz was our hit. Rookie autograph card. Number to 499. So that was Panini Prizms. Pretty product. Not big on the hits, but Prizm cards are cool. So I'm going to be, we got the Kentucky Colonels card. Louis Dampier. I'm just going to random it off right now. I'll just put everybody in it. It's not a huge card, but it's got to go to somebody. And if for some reason we're wrong about the Colonels, my wife looked it up. She said they were...
It was part of the ABA, and
they were an ABA team, and
they sold off
the team folded, and the guy used the money to buy the Boston Braves, you said?
The Cleveland something.
I swear you said Boston.
No.
Buffalo.
Buffalo, yeah. Buffalo Braves.
Buffalo Braves. So there's like no connection. Let me get the teams or the people real quick. I lost the thread. It won't be long, guys. Apologies.
Oh, hold on. The Braves are, it says they used the money to purchase the Buffalo Braves. The Buffalo Braves are now known as the Los Angeles Clippers. I saw it on a side note. So let me get a Clippers card.
They didn't really turn into the Clippers.
The team folded.
The team folded and the guy used the money to buy another team that turned into the Clippers. I would say that doesn't qualify it as a Clippers card. They didn't turn into the Clippers. I don't know, the team didn't turn into the Clippers. It was a different purchase, so I feel like the best bet is to random this off. If there's an argument, I can send the Clippers something in replace of it. We got a 5 here. I'm going to randomize the list 5 times. And number 1 will get it. Like I said, not a huge card, but we got to find a way for somebody to get it. 3, 4, last time, number 5. Tony Leslie. You're going to get the Colonel card. KFC. Who was it? It was Louis Dampier. Tony Leslie, you get that Dampier card right there. That's it from Panini Prizms. Jazz got the autograph. Check back here soon. 80 you watching. Heads is Spectra. Tails is Absolute. What do we got mixed in with the trash? We're breaking Absolute next. 2016 Panini Absolute. We'll see you soon.